Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some body butter souffle for my friends and family for the holidays. So come along with me as we get started. Let's measure out our ingredients. First will be our shea butter. Normally I would put these all in the same bowl, but due to how much I was making, I had to separate it out. So in a separate bowl, I added the cocoa butter, emulsifying wax, jojoba oil, and cetyl alcohol in a heat-safe bowl. We will be melting all these ingredients together. But before we do that, I need to measure out our water ingredients, which consist of distilled water and vegetable glycerin. Now that we've combined all the ingredients, we're going to take it over and put it in our boiling hot water or our hot plate. Once all that is done, we're going to let that sit there for a minute and let everything melt, and then we'll come back for the next step. While we're waiting for everything to melt, we're going to come over and we're going to spray all of our jars with 90% alcohol. Everything has already been washed, but I want to make sure that everything is extra sanitized. Then we're going to go and stir and check to see how everything is progressing, and then we will move on to the next step. Now all of our ingredients have come to a boil or have melted. Be careful, everything is hot as we add to a bowl. Once we've added everything to a bowl, we're going to take that bowl and add it into an ice water bath until everything cools down. Once everything has cooled down, then we're going to take the emulsifier and we're going to emulsify until the contents and the ingredients start to become thick. Now we'll move to a hand mixer and continue whipping until we get that creamy consistency. Once our product reaches 85 degrees and below, then we will add the preservative and the vitamin E oil. Normally, I would add the fragrance also at this step, but because I'm doing one big batch and individual multiple fragrances, I will add the fragrances separately as I batch it out. In a separate container, I will measure out 106 grams of the souffle, add 7 grams of the desired fragrance and whip to consistency. Then I will add that back into the separate jar for 113 grams or 4 ounces of body souffle. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button along with the bell to be notified about future videos. Hope you come back for day 2 of my holiday crafting.